Hello all, I welcome you all to learn English with me. Now today let us see questions with be forms. In the previous videos we have seen affirmative, that is positive sentences, and negatives, isn't it? Now today let us see questions. Before these questions, let us do revision of previous videos. Here I have given you some examples, that is affirmatives. Affirmatives are nothing but positive sentences, okay? Now let us make the negatives of it. Students are in the library. Now what is a negative? Students are not in the library. After the be form you are going to put not. Okay. The roads are slippery. The roads are not slippery. Slippery means what? Jarudu. Jaruduga undadam. Jaripovam. Okay. This is a book. This is not a book. Okay. Positive and negative. Now today let us learn questions. Now when it comes to questions, what I have noticed is many students, they find it very easy with the positive and negatives. But whenever anybody asks any question to them, at that time they try to manage by responding, saying yes or no. But when their turn comes to pose questions to somebody else, at that time they find it very challenging. So I guarantee you that this particular video will help you to overcome that difficulty, and it will help you or boost your confidence in posing questions. Okay, now today let us see questions. There are two types of questions: yes no questions and WH questions. Now this is for another day. Okay, now here today our focus would be mainly on yes no questions. Now yes no questions, here I have given a question to which the answer may be yes or no. Now this is the question. If anybody asks you yes no question, you get the answers in the form of either yes or no depending upon the fact. Right? Am is a subject, name, age, profession, identity, quality, qualifications and all. Okay. Is he a doctor? Atanu doctor? Next your answer would be yes, he is. No, he isn't. Now here you have the two types of answers, that is yes or no. Now this answers totally depends upon the fact whether he is a doctor or not. For example, if I ask you, are you a student? Right? No vidyarthiva ikkada. Are you a student here? So it depends upon the fact. If you are really a student, you are going to say, yes, madam, I am student here. If not, you are going to say, I am not a student here. Got it? So that is how you have the two answers depending upon the fact. Are your shoes expensive? Nee shoes kharidainava? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Look, I did not give you the lengthy sentence or the long form. Generally, what happens is, in any language, we just avoid the lengthy sentence. We just go for the shortened form. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. We don't say they are very expensive and all, right? Is Peter your friend? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Got it? Same way, I have given you some more examples here. Am I right? Then correct. Then your answer would be yes, madam, you are. No, you aren't. Then correct కాకపోతే ఎలా అంటారు మీరు? No, you aren't. Okay. Is Rani on time? Time కి ఉన్నదా? Yes, she is. You can even she is on time. No, she is not on time. That also you can use it, not a problem. But generally, whenever we speak, we go for shortened form. Okay. Let us see some exercises where you are going to write the answers on the comment section. Okay. Are they your classmates? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay. Am I responsible? Am I responsible for this mistake? How you are going to say? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Got it? Am I early? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Am I late? Am I late for the meeting? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Got it? Hope you are writing. Next one. Is your father an engineer? Yes, He is. No, he isn't. Shall I write here? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Hope it is clear. Right? Are your parents in Mumbai? Yes. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Got it? Is the exam tough? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. You can check. Right? So I want to give you another tip. Now here it is a positive sentence. It's an affirmative. Affirmative is nothing but positive sentence. How positive can be converted to a question form? Let us see. That is yes no question. They are good books. Right? Here, whatever the be form you have, the be form will take the first place, that is subject place, and subject will take the be form place. Now that becomes the question. And the rest of the sentence will remain in the same position. Okay, are they good books? And one more thing, please notice that the first one should be in the capital letter and you're going to tag a question mark there. Right? The book is on the table. Now what is the question? Now this is a be form, isn't it? Be form will move before the subject or will take the subject place. Is the book on the table? And you're going to tag question mark. Okay, in written form, be careful, this is in the written form. Same way, Tim is a driver. Now is a be form. Be form will take the subject place, that is is, and Tim will take, and the subject will take the be form place. Is Tim a driver? And you're going to tag question. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for next video where I will teach you WH questions.